Adobe Photoshop tutorial image. Sampling a color from the image to use as the color for the outer glow. Once you've chosen your color, click OK to exit out of the color picker. Lastly, increase the size of the outer glow to somewhere around 30 pixels. You may need to raise or lower that amount depending on the size and resolution of your image. Adobe Photoshop tutorial image. Change the blend mode, color, and size of the outer glow. Don't exit out of the layer style dialog box just yet because we still have one more layer style to add. Here's how my light streak looks so far after adding my outer glow. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll look at how to quickly and easily add a soft focus and glow effect to a photo, which also happens to do a nice job of boosting the image's contrast and color saturation. I've been using this technique with my photos for years, and it's still just as popular today. Whether you're a wedding photographer, nature photographer, or you simply enjoy taking photos of family and friends, give this effect a try and see if it doesn't make your images look a bit more magical.